Pinduoduo app. Bye bye. Hello you guys, my name is Thao. I received a package from China that I purchased about a month ago through the Pinduoduo app. It is a screen protector for my new laptop and new battery for my old phone. I might make another video when I replace the battery for my phone. Maybe a tutorial or just a simple video sharing how I fixed my phone battery. So I will put it here. Hello you guys, my name is Thao and this video is replacing the battery for my old phone. So this is Oppo F9, I believe. Okay, Oppo F9. I've been using this phone, I think, okay, finally I try to put the board. I don't know how to call it in English. So finally I put it in and I don't know if my phone is going to work. Right? Oh my gosh, now my phone cannot open! Cannot open! Can I open? There, I broke my phone. Bye bye. It is a screen protector for my new laptop. So this is the screen protector for my new laptop. And right now I am trying to check how to stick it on. This is my new laptop. Yeah, right? This will stick on here and stick on here. No? Stick on here. This is outside. It's here. This isn't the first time I bought a product from Pinduoduo, but it is the first time they've been able to deliver directly to my door in Vietnam. I have to say, it is truly a game changer for consumer, but at the same time, it is very tough for people who are in the trading business in Vietnam, especially those who purchased products from China and sell them here. Trời ơi, bây giờ em đã unbox xong cái hàng ở đây rồi. Thấy ở đây vẫn còn bừa bộn nè, thấy không? Nhưng mà em thiếu hàng của khách cũng hơi lâu rồi, cho nên bây giờ em phải gói hàng trả cho khách. Tại vì lâu rồi em cũng chưa có làm cái video gói hàng cho khách. Anh đó muốn nhập 15 thùng cái cây K5 cây này. Bây giờ sẽ soạn bill cho khách đây, hai cái này. Rồi, hàng mới về là gói cho khách liền luôn. Ok, đơn của chị đây nha. Cái chổi của Dreamy 10, chổi phụ. Hộp này anh khách đã đặt hàng rất là lâu. Em là... Còn mấy đơn nữa nhưng mà chưa có gói, mệt quá. Tại đang chuẩn bị về hàng. So, what is Pinduoduo and how does it differ from TAOBAO and 1688? To explain this properly, I'll need some help from AI, and here is the answer.
Pinduoduo, a unique approach to e-commerce. Pinduoduo is a Chinese e-commerce platform that has gained significant popularity due to its unique business model. While it shares some similarities with other platforms like TAOBAO and 1688, it stands out in several key areas. Key differences between Pinduoduo, TAOBAO, and 1688. 1. Business model. Pinduoduo primarily focuses on a group buying model, where users can invite friends to purchase items together, resulting in lower prices. This model encourages social interaction and viral marketing. TAOBAO, a consumer-to-consumer (C2C) platform where individuals can sell items directly to other consumers. E1688, a business-to-business (B2B) platform primarily used by wholesalers and retailers. 2. Target audience. Pinduoduo primarily targets lower-income consumers in China, offering affordable prices and a sense of community. TAOBAO has a broader appeal, catering to a wide range of consumers. A1688 focuses on businesses and bulk purchases. 3. Product range. Pinduoduo offers a wide range of products, often focusing on everyday items and agricultural products. TAOBAO offers a vast array of products, from electronics to fashion and home goods. A1688 primarily deals with wholesale products and raw materials. 4. User experience. Pinduoduo emphasizes social interaction and gamification, with features like group buying and games. TAOBAO offers a more traditional e-commerce experience with product listings, reviews, and shopping carts. 1688 provides tools and resources for businesses, such as order management and payment processing. In summary, while Pinduoduo, TAOBAO, and 1688 are all popular e-commerce platforms in China, they each have distinct characteristics and cater to different audiences. Pinduoduo's unique group buying model and focus on affordability have helped it carve out a niche in the Chinese market.
There are 3 main steps in the process I've followed in my trading business. 1. Research. 2. Purchase. And 3. Delivery. Let's start with research. This is what I've been doing for the past 7 years as a seller in e-commerce. I looked for products that I believe have potential to sell. Then I compare the price, features, designs, and every order detail to get the best deal. I purchase small quantities at the best price to maintain low cost for my business in Vietnam. Now, let's talk about purchasing. On the TAOBAO platform, you can get a single item, but it is more expensive than on 1688, which isn't ideal for a seller like me. On 1688, the prices are cheaper, but you have to buy in larger quantities. If it is your first time buying from a seller, you don't know if they're reliable or if the quality is good. You want to hold the product in your hand, test it, and see it directly. But if you don't buy from the seller, you'll never know their reputation. No. Next, delivery. This is an important part. Shipping from China to Vietnam can take 2 weeks to a month, and you need to find a delivery company that will pick up the package from a Chinese warehouse and ship it to Vietnam. From 7 years of experience, I can tell you that this process might be tough. This might lose your money or products, and delivery company won't compensate you. If the product is damaged, you have to accept the loss because the Vietnamese delivery company already signed for the package. If I will explain this in detail, the video could be too long and I might make you fall asleep. So if you want more information, let me know in the comment and I'll make another video for you.